Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine too. Welcome to our Magic Math Learning School. Alhamdulillah, we have already finished the 18 long class. Today is our 19 long class. Those who did not see the previous class, they will definitely see the previous class. The link has given below in the description. Because if you don't see the previous class, this class cannot be understood. So in the previous class, we have learned how to do +5 combination of 2 digits in finger. Today we will learn how to do -5 combination in finger. So let's get started. So in the past, we have learned that if we get in a problem like 1 plus 4, we are getting in a problem. So we will raise the 5 and the friend of 4 is 1. So -1, that is 5. So today we will learn the same, but we will do the opposite, like 7 plus 1 minus 4. We are getting a problem for -4. So in the past, we have learned that we have to raise the 5, but in this class, we will do the opposite. We will close the 5 and then we know that the friend of 4 is 1. So we will raise the 1, not minus the 1. We will raise the 1, that is 4. So 7, 1 minus 4, that is 4. So we will write here 4. Then the next 6 minus 3. We are getting in a problem. So close the 5 and we know that the friend of 3 is 2. So we will raise the 2, that is 3. And then plus 5, that is 8. So the answer is 8 and we will write here 8. Next, we have 9 minus 3. So we are getting a problem. Close the 5 and we know that the friend of 3 is 2. So plus 2, that is 3. So the answer is 3 and we will write here 3. Next, we have 6 minus 2. We are getting in a problem, so close the 5 and we know that the friend of 2 is 3. So plus 3, then minus 3, that is 1. So we will write here 1. Then the next 5 minus 1. We know that the friend of 1 is 4. So minus 5 and then plus 4, that is 4. And then plus 5, that is 9. So the answer is 9 and we will write here 9. Next, we have 2 plus 3. We are getting in a problem. So in here, we will do the 5 plus combination, not the minus. 2 plus 3, we are getting in a problem. So raise the 5 and we know that the friend of 3 is 2. So minus 2, that is 5. And then minus 2. That minus 2. Here we will do the minus 5 combination. Like, we know that the friend of 2 is 3. So minus 5 and raise the 3. That is 3. So we will write here 3. Next, we have 9 minus 4 plus minus 1. So we are getting a problem for minus 1. So close the 5 and we know that the friend of 1 is 4. So raise the 4 or plus 4. That is 4. So the answer is 4. We will write here 4. Next, we have 62 plus 3. We are getting in a problem. So in the one's hand, we will do the plus 5 combination, like raise the 5 or call the 5, and we know that the friend of 3 is 2, so minus 2, that is 65. Then minus 4. So in here we will do the minus 5 combination, like close the 5 and we know that the friend of 4 is 1. So raise the 1, that is 61, and then minus 50. So in the tens hand, we will minus the 5. So that is minus 50. If we minus this 5, we will minus the 50. That is 11. So we will write here 11. Next, we will do this math. 74 plus 13 plus 10 plus 3. In the one's hand, we are getting in a problem. So we will do here the plus 5 combination. So raise the 5 little friend, and we know that the friend of 3 is 2. So we will minus the 2. Then plus minus 3. So here we will do the minus 5 combination. So we know we will do that we will minus the little friend 5, and then we know that the friend of 3 is 2. So plus 2, that is 84, and then plus 4. So we are getting in a problem. Here we will do the plus 5 combination. Raise the 5 and we know that the friend of 4 is 1. So minus 1, that is 8. The answer is 88. So we will write here 88. C8. Then the next, we have 56 minus 43. So see, in the tens hand, we will do the minus 5 combination, like close the 5 and then we know that the friend of 4 is 1. So plus 1, that is 16, and then minus 3. So let's do in the one's hand. So minus 3, close the 5 and then we know that the friend of 3 is 2. So plus 2, that is 13. Then plus 3, plus 5 combination, call the little friend 5, and then we know that the friend of 3 is 2, so minus 2, that is 16, and then minus 3. So close the 5, and then we know that the friend of 3 is 2, so plus the 2, that is 13. So we will write here 13. Then the next we have 85 minus 40. 85 minus 40, sorry, 85 minus 40. So in the tens hand, close the 5, and then we know that the friend of 4 is 1, so plus 1, that is 40, 45, and then minus 3. So in the ones hand we will minus 3. So we are getting a problem. Close the 5, and we know that the friend of 3 is 2, so plus 2, then plus 2, that is 44. So we will write here 44. Then the last one, 35 minus 30 minus 1, that is 04, then minus 1 plus 4. So we are getting a problem. Call the little friend 5, and then we know that the friend of 4 is 1, so minus 1, that is 7. So we will write here 7. So no more today. This will be practiced at home more and more. Pray for me. And there was a request to see the next class. Wait until the next class, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum.